I wish we were big and strong and the world couldn't hurt us.
What's wrong?
Clifford, no fetch! No fetch!
Cool, yeah!
He eats like an animal.
Well, he is an animal.
I'm talking about him.
What?
What's up everyone? Thanks and welcome to Game a Movie Recap. This time, I want to present a film that will be released in 2021, which is entitled, Clifford the Big Red Dog. This film tells the story of a dog who grows up because of the love of a lonely girl. So if you're curious, pull your blankets tight, prepare the snacks, and enjoy watching. The scene begins with